Now that I know the guys are good up there when they do their pipe, my next step would be to prep my utility boxes. These are for the utility, meter, disconnect. Always check your plans for requirements on these boxes. There's a 30 amp disconnect, there's a 60 amp disconnect, and a 100 amp disconnect. Let's say you get to your job that requires a 60 amp disconnect, but they accidentally gave you a 30 amp, you gotta check, because if you hang a 60 where a 30 goes, your job will automatically fail. Always check the specs. I like to line my boxes up just so I can make sure they're straight. So I know this is gonna go here, because I know it's lined up with my inverter. I know where they're gonna go. Always get your level. Make sure it's straight. Boxes usually they get messy. I have a blower. At the end of the day, I'll come blow my boxes out just to make sure there's no dust, particles in there, or anything like that. Right there. Hole. Always want to make sure it's level before you completely tighten everything up. Don't want crooked boxes, you know. It's on there, give it a good pull, good tug, good to go. So in every box you generally do is always going to be a ground bushing. Now what you got to do is you got to figure out your route. So my main panel's in the front yard. I already know my route's going to be piping to the front for my disconnect. I'll get started on that.